Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Faye. If you're new, hey. If you're not, hey. Let's go ahead and get started. In this video, I will be doing the two things I'm really good at: installing a protective style and running my mouth. Hey child. For the weather changes going on, it's very easy for your hair to get dry, brittle, and break off. So it is the optimum time to be installing protective style. So in this video, I will be installing my mini twist. Not only is it a protective style, it is a time saver for me. Starting next week, I'm going back in the gym with my trainer. I'm very excited about that. So now is the best time, before I get in there, to go ahead and get this hair together. So what I find works best for my hair is to twist as small and as tight as possible. It gives the best look for it. I am actually starting on freshly washed hair. Right now, all that is in my hair is the leave-in. So I'm going to show you the process of how I actually start doing my twist. So boom, I'm going to take me some Melanin Hair Care and just put it in this whole section of head. Now, not only am I normal to high porosity, but I'm also color treated. And so for that reason, I have to stay on top of my moisture. So I take some, this is olive oil. I just put some in my hand. Like so here, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take this section of hair and I'm gonna just use my finger. For me, they do not have to be perfect parts. I don't care anything about that. Now, if you want, you can use gel as far as the style goes, because it will help you maintain it longer. But for me, because I know I'm going to be wetting and moisturizing as much as possible, I'm not gonna put gel on it. So I'm just take this hair and twist. It's really as simple as that. Alright, so I'm just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Y'all get the gist of it. And then once I get to the bottom, I'm going to leave a little bit out and just twirl it around my finger to coil it. But I can honestly say with this Melanin Hair Care, that stuff, I can't wait till the leave-in come in. I actually did one of those pre-orders that they say it ships in mid-January. So yeah, so I'm going to just take this, twirl around my finger. But yeah, I'm going to review it on my channel. But I have nothing but faith in Natural 85. I know she's going to knock it out the park. So yeah, I'm gonna be real busy the next few weeks. This is my first month back in training. I'm actually gonna start working out this week just to kind of build up my stamina, because I don't want to be the fat girl in the gym that's about to pass out and die just because I just let myself go. So I really want to succeed this time without quitting. So I'm gonna do my part heavily. So yeah, and actually, let me show you real quick. This is my trainer. Her name is Bree. Her Instagram is Bree Body. This is the kind of working out I'll be doing. Doing stuff like that, you think I'm gonna want to reach up and do my hair? Absolutely not. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do as many protective styles as possible. So that's just like less on my mind that I gotta deal with, but I'm really looking forward to it. So I'm gonna take my fingernail again, do like this. I actually have some color wax, some blue wax. I'm gonna put that in my hair to make it a little, you know, a little bit, you know, have a little funk to it, a little spunkle, you know, a little attitude. I do have some hair goals for 2020. I stopped focusing on growth because I've just been focusing on having fun with my hair. But now I kind of want to slow down on that and get a little bit of length. I do want my hair when it's stretched to be completely waist length. And right now my longest layer is just below bra strap length. So I'm going to focus on feeding my scalp growth oils. I'm going to probably take Hairfinity. I've taken the Mane Choice and got really good results with their vitamin. I'm going to keep protective styles in, because the more my hair is out of my hands, the less chance I'm going to do something crazy. Honey, I saw a video last night where a girl did a big chop, and I was just like, I wonder what I look like with a teeny weeny afro again. And so that's when I was like, yeah, I need to put something in my hair, because I'm gonna do something, well, I ain't gonna say stupid, but I'm gonna do something stupid. So yeah, it's good for me to have these twists. So yeah, I'm gonna focus on my length, take my little vitamins, my growth oils, my massages, drink water, because if you dehydrate, your body will take the water that's needed to grow your hair, and it'll direct it to more vital organs that you have. So that's a good reason to stay hydrated so you can grow your hair. Y'all, I'm so excited for this new year. I just have like a lot of positive energy and like goals that I want to reach, and even like with my YouTube, my personal life. Hubby and I are talking about babies. That's another reason I was going to the trainer, because I have a large amount of belly fat, and I feel like, well, I know that pregnancy will be a lot smoother if I got rid of some of that. And I know what's gonna happen is gonna happen. What's meant to be is meant to be, so I need not to be worried about it. But I want to use common sense and precautions. So I am actually taking prenatals right now. But yeah, I want to make sure I get this belly fat down. So just to, even for myself, number one, for my self-confidence, but number two, for future baby, I want to make sure they have plenty of room to bounce around, you know. Yeah. But I think y'all get the gist of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish twisting off camera and show you how I add a little bit of my personality to these twists once it's completely applied. The twists are completely applied, but they're still wet. So what I'm gonna do is, while they're drying, I'm also going to just put a little bit of wet line on my edges. I don't really, you know, slay the baby hairs and stuff. I just want them to look polished and neat. So I'm just put some down. And I'm gonna lay my scarf on my hairline, so while my hair is actually drying, so will my edges. Also, what I'm going to do while my hair is drying is I'm going to check my scalp. Any areas that look really scalpy or the twist may be too big, I'm going to take them down and minimize it, because I don't want my scalp peeking through a lot in all those spaces. So this area right here is a place where I feel like I was seeing too much scalp. So I'm going to redo those areas and make the twist smaller, just so those spaces are filled in. I'll be back. Hi, now that I'm fully awake, because I was running off 2 hours sleep when I started, I thought that, you know, I could make real chunky twists and it'll be acceptable. No, I have low density hair, and so when you make super chunky twists on low density hair, it makes your hair look super thin, and so I just wasn't feeling the look at all. So what I'm doing is actually going in. This is the appropriate size for my density, because this is taking up too much hair and bigger twist is not the best for me. So if you have finer hair, low density, you definitely should, you know, do small twists, which I believe I said in the video. I just did something completely different. Honey, sleep deprivation and me just don't get along. I get to wilding out. So basically, for every one of these twists, I'm breaking them down to 2 or 3. It's gonna be a while before my hair done, and it's New Year's Eve, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, and I'm still working. So, you know, FML. So now my twists are applied after I had to basically do my hair twice. My hair is not big twist friendly, not with my natural hair. But here are some style ideas if you are looking for mini twist styles. Put some gold clamps and maybe some gold string or whatever you want to do. Just add some extra life into it. Just put some decorations and shape it to your face how you want to. And especially once you put your makeup and stuff on, you're gonna really kill it. Especially if your twists are longer than mine, because you know I have to give an account for my bangs. You can do the half up, half down. And so style number 3 is, of course, take all the twists and do a high pony. If you do have a thicker density than mine, you can do a high pony, make it into a bun, arrange it however you want. Another idea, okay, so if you want to play around with this, do flat twist across the front, do another twist on this side, put it into a ponytail. Another idea, take the flat twist. I'm just throwing it together right now. You can perfect it on your own time. Take a flat twist, do it all the way across the back, do the same thing on this side, and do it with the 2 granny braids, just kind of pin together. Another idea, because you know, honey, you got to work these little twists, especially if you like me and you like to change your hair up a lot. It's like if I don't find styles, I'll take the twist down. So another idea is, instead of pinning the granny braids, just effectively do 2 French braids or 2 flat twists or 2 Dutch braids or whatever to the back using these twists. Mini twists are very versatile. You can get a lot of wear out of them, a lot of style. You can put turbans on, scarves, headbands, accessorize it, especially with hats and different things. You can make it work for you. Right now, today, because I'm in a rush and I gotta go to work, I'm just gonna do the half up, half down. I'm gonna play with the style, and then especially once I put my makeup, especially my lashes on, pop. Ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. So if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. Happy New Year to you. Make 2020 your master it. I'll just leave it there because I don't want to say what I'm thinking because, you know, we got to keep it family friendly. All right, so if you have any questions, leave them down below. Happy New Year, boo. See you soon. So here is a boomerang and also a picture that I took last night on New Year's Eve. I really, really felt beautiful with these twists. So definitely try it out, play with it, and let me know how you like them. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.